And for my first task as alright, while I'm doing this video, mysteries. Oh god. Okay, well he did it. Die! Alright, and then nothing happened, look. Looking around, I don't really see anything. There she is, target acquired. I love this so much. Hey, what's up, guys? All of you are fat. Let's try that. So now we wait another 5 minutes to see if that actually gets uploaded. Alright, now we wait. So Mommy! You are going to die. I whispered that to her so nobody else can see. Die! Get it right! Earrings! Earrings! Earrings, 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 earrings. The Sonic rings! Shut up! I'm making everybody earrings, 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 earrings. Shut up! Oh god. Alright, now I'm using this. This is his biggest nightmare, just coming to life. Lola, I can't hear you. My Sonic rings are too big. Not earrings. Get right. What the heck? Oh my god, boy. Oh my god, boy. Do it. Ow. Okay. There's a sword. He's gonna do it. Oh god. I'm a faint. Oh my god. Face. I'll just keep putting random frowny faces. Come back, Gary. Come back. I'll make it look like it's bleeding too. Come back, Gary. Do it. I need a sword if I'm gonna do it. Your password. Why kill us? Tell me your password. Come back home, Gary. Come back. Come back into the devil's lair. Where my sword, goo? Come back inside. Tell me your password. I don't think he's actually gonna do it, and if he does do it, I'm censoring it out. Tell me your password. No! No! I won't! So you'll kill people? You'll kill a random homeless woman? Wait, he's stalking you now? New feature? No, this isn't a new feature. Oh yeah, massive shout out to King. Find my. Okay, yeah, I'm not. No. Doors are locked. It's not funny. It's not them. They're waiting outside. I just heard them ring the doorbell a second ago. What the? Stop! Stop messing with me. Stop! Alright, I'm gonna make it like really. Just gonna do a couple more of these. You are alone. Stop messing with me. I'm scared. It's not funny. She's crying. Alright, this is actually gonna be terrifying for her. Stop this! Hello! To me! Do not run! Kill them! Oh god, it's getting censored. Alright, come out with me. Stay by my side. Yes! So yeah, let me know what other things I should do in,